Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to change language on Facebook. Maybe you wanted to know on how you can change the language on your Facebook to your comfortable language. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can change your language on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then what you'll need to do is to tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, simply scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy. And then in here, under the settings and privacy, you'll see here the language. Tap on this language. And then in here, you'll see here the device language. It means that your language in your device will automatically will be the language on your Facebook. You can change it to English, Espanol, and many more. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can change your language on Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can change your language on your Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.